xalqimiz sevgan ustoz san'atkor Muhriddin Xoliqov ijrosidagi Sumbula qo'shig'ini ingliz tilida va yangicha talqinda eshitib ko'ramiz. Qani ketdik.
Jon Sumbula, you ask about my state. Sumbula, Jon Sumbula, you ask about my state. The one who made my state weak is that singing nightingale. The one who made my state weak is that singing nightingale. My chest is wounded, I cannot tell my pain. Pride drives me away from the path. My pain, my pain, my pain, I cannot tell. Out to be a world of regret. What you reach by burning and burning turns out to be a world of regret. Sumbula, Jon Sumbula, there is no remedy for the suffering one. Now for your Sanobar, ask patience from God.
Bu talqin sizga yoqqan bo'lsa, menga obuna bo'lishni unutmang.